In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag multiple pages in DocuSign, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, head over to DocuSign.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the Start option, followed by Send an Envelope. This is the starting point for uploading your document, whether it's a Word file, PDF, or a template you frequently use. After you've successfully uploaded your document, it's time to add your recipients. You'll need to enter the names and email addresses of the individuals who need to sign. If there are multiple signers, you can assign the signing order, which ensures each recipient is notified in the correct sequence for their signature. Now that your recipients are set, click Next, which will take you to the Prepare Document screen. This is where the magic happens, as it's filled with tagging tools on the left side panel. To tag a single page, simply drag a field from the Fields panel, be it a signature, initials, date signed, or text, and drop it onto the desired spot on your page. When it comes to tagging multiple pages, efficiency is key. A popular method is copying and pasting the tags. Once you've placed your initial tag, right-click on it and select Copy. Then navigate to another page, right-click again and choose Paste. You can repeat this process across as many pages as needed, saving time and effort along the way. If your document contains repeated phrases like sign here or initial, consider using autoplace, also known as anchor tags. In the tagging properties, you can set the field to automatically appear wherever that word or phrase is located throughout the document. This feature can be incredibly useful as it allows for consistency and accuracy in tagging. Now, it's crucial that each tag is assigned to the correct recipient. Use the Assign To drop-down list to ensure that every field corresponds to the appropriate signer. For example, the employer might need to sign a specific page, while the employee initials each page. Once you've completed tagging all necessary fields, take a moment to double-check that everything is in place. This final review will ensure accuracy before you proceed to the final step. When you're confident everything is correct, click Send. DocuSign will then route your document for signatures, ensuring each party is notified and able to sign as required. And there you have it, your complete guide to tagging multiple pages in DocuSign for 2025. Following these steps ensures your documents are well organized and properly signed, making the digital paperwork process more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching, and see you in the